See, yesterday I gave homework. Okay, in that I think difficult question: integration of x power 6 minus 1 by 1 plus x squared dx. This question I am going to explain this. Actually, u by v integration not possible. So this we have to make it as a linear polynomial, as a polynomial function. This is a quotient. Okay, we should make the polynomial function. Okay, how to make the polynomial? Rational polynomial. This should divide by 1 plus x squared. So x power 6 minus 1 divided by x squared plus 1. X squared, by giving multiplying x power 4 we will get x power 6. X squared x power 4 equal to x power 6 plus x power 4 minus, get cancelled, minus x power 4 minus 1. Again this is divided by x squared by multiplying minus x squared. X squared minus x power 4 minus x squared plus get cancelled. So plus x squared minus 1. Okay. Next x plus 1 x squared plus 1 minus, get cancelled, minus 1 minus 2 remainder. This is by division algorithm concept. See, for example, this is the p of x. This is the p of x. Let this is q of x. P of x. Let this is q p by q. Q of x. Right? Here we get some remainder that is called r of x. Okay? A quotient q of x. So now I am considering here another one, c of x. Okay? Now p by c. This is x. P by c. P of x by c of x equal to first q of x. Quotient plus remainder by c of x. Divisor. This formula I think you know. For example, see, 4 by 3. 4 is divided by 3. 3 1 3. Remainder is 1. So quotient q is how much is 1 plus remainder is 1 by 3. So 1 plus 1 by 3 equal to 4 by 3. Like that. So p of x, q of x. This is x power 6 minus 1 by 1 plus x square equal to q of x. X power 4 minus x square plus 1 plus r of x. R of x is minus 2 by c of x. X square plus 1. Finish. Apply integration. Your polynomial is okay. X power 6 minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Integration of x power 4 minus x square plus 1 minus 2 by x square plus 1 dx. This we can find integration because direct, which in the form of standard form. Splitting here, integration of x power 4 dx minus x square dx plus integration of 1 dx minus 2 constant 1 by x square plus 1 dx. X power 4 integration, x power 5 by 5, x square integration, x cube by 3 plus x minus 2. Integration of 1 by x square plus 1 equal to tan inverse x plus c. This is the so far we have discussed the differentiation. By using differentiation, okay, we have done problems, integration problems. The difference between differentiation and integration. All functions are not differentiable. The same thing applicable for integration also. All functions are not integrable. And differentiation and integration, which is applicable for only for functions. On functions only we will apply differentiation and integration. Sin x, cos x, polynomial, all are functions. If it is not function, differentiation and integration we can't apply. Both same, similar. That is not different. In differential, all functions are non-differentiable. The same way, all functions are non-integrable. Okay, and differentiation which is applicable for functions, and also integrable also same thing. Okay, which is applied for on functions, both related. And differentiation is represent at single point. Differentiation is nothing but geometrically slope of tangent. Integration is nothing but family of curves. Differentiation we can discuss at a point. For example, a particle moving along the straight line from A to B. A to B. A particle moving along the straight line from A to B. So we can find, for example, distance is s. Okay, ds by dt will get velocity. So we are discussing the particle at particular point. If you give time 3, then you will get at t 3 seconds what is the velocity we get. At t is equal to 1 second, what is the velocity we come to know that. So point, the differentiation we will discuss at the point. But differentiation, integration is not like that. Integration is the whole. It will be discussed in the interval, not on point. Particular interval. In closed interval, t is equal to 1, 2, 3. What is the particle traveled? They will give t how much it traveled distance. That you come to know that. Because integration is represent the whole interval, but differentiation which is discussed at single point. That is difference. Differentiation single point, integration we can discuss the area, the whole point from here to here. So integration t is equal to 1, 2, 3 dx by dt with respect of t will get yes. Travel means t is equal to 1 to 3 seconds. dt means time. With respect of time 1 to 3 limit. These are interval. Further class you come to know that. In this interval, how much it traveled? That we come to know that from integration. Okay. From differentiation, what will get? At what point? What is the distance velocity? We come to know that. Okay. From integration, reverse. Here velocity will get. Here you will get distance will get by giving the time. That is the difference. Are you following? And by finding differentiation, we use limits. Here integration also we can use limit of sum. That also further class will come to know that. So both are similar. There is not differentiable some functions. Here also all functions are not integrable. So here there differentiation we can discuss at a point, but integration not like that, which is discussed in the interval, the particular part. In that we can discuss integration. Integration means sum. Differentiation means slope of tangent. Okay. Now see, we have done problems by using inspection method so far. By using inspection method and by using differentiation formulas. Okay. Now without differentiation formulas, all problems we can't find by using inspection method. Okay. So there is a method to find the integration problems. There is a method. Okay. There are many methods. In that, few methods are there in your syllabus. So those main 3 methods. First one, integration by substitution. Second one, integration by partial fractions. Third one, integration by parts. By parts. 3 methods you have. In that again you have many methods. First, substitution method. We are going to discussing methods. The methods of integrations. Methods of integration. There are mainly 3. One is integration by substitution method. Substitution. Second one is by partial fractions. Partial fractions. Third one is by parts. By parts. By substitution method, by partial fractions, by parts. Now I am going to discuss first method is substitution method. This method now I am going to discuss. Yes. So what is substitution? See, let integration f of x dx. Let f of x integration of x dx. Now I am going to apply the substitution. Let x equal to g of t. Some another function. You substitute x is equal to another value. X is equal to g of t. Change the variable. X is equal to g of t. Because if you take same, that x and this x will be coincident. So let x is equal to, I am taking g of t. Then when you take the x is equal to g of t, we should apply differentiate with respect of what you have taken variable, with respect of that variable. What I have taken here? T. So we should apply differentiate with respect of t. So dx by dt equal to g of t differentiation is g dash t into t differentiation with respect of t is 1. Are you following? Apply differentiate with respect of t. Here what you have assumed that you should apply with respect of that variable. So dx equal to g dash t into dt. This is the main key point. While changing this integration of f of x dx, we have to change. This is in terms of x with respect of x. Now we are going to change with respect of t. Yes, f of where x is g of t into dx equal to g dash t into dt. So with respect of time. With respect of t here. No x variable here. If it x variable is there means the substitution method is not applicable. When you use the substitution method, each and every x variable convert into the t. What you assume? If it is possible, is it possible to convert in terms of t? Then the substitution method exists. If it not possible means substitution method does not exist. For example, integration of sin 2x dx. We know the standard formula sin x. We know the sin x integration. Sin x integration is minus cos x. Sin x integration is minus cos x. But is it sin x form? No. But 2x, if I take as a t, then it look like sin form or not? Yes. Now I am going to consider. Now I let 2x equal to t. 2x equal to t. Okay. Why I have taken? Why? What is the reason? I have taken 2x equal to t to get the standard form. We know only sin x integration, but sin 2x integration we don't know. So let 2x equal to single variable. Let 2x equal to t. Yes. What about integration of sin t dt? Minus cos t with respect of t. Yeah, with respect of x. Okay. Now let 2x equal to t. Then it will come after substituting. We will get this form. See, 2x equal to t. After that, apply differentiation with respect of t. So d by dt of 2x. D by dt of t. Two constant dx derivative with respect of t is dx by dt and t derivative with respect of t is 1. We want dx keep here remaining transpose set dt by 2. This is substitute there. Integration of sin 2x dx equal to integration of sin 2x equal to t. Dx equal to dt by 2. What is the constant in this? 1 by 2. Integration of sin t dt. Sin t dt, is it in the form of standard formula? Yes. So sin x dx integration is minus cos x. Like that, integration of sin t dt equal to minus cos t. 1 by 2 minus cos t. Integration is over. Add c. And what we have assumed, t is not in the question. What variable is there? X variable, not t variable. T is our assumed variable. So convert it to the original variable. T is equal to 2x minus cos 2x plus c. So this is called substitution method. If you apply this differentiation, you get this. So this is the method, the procedure to find the substitution method. First you assume one variable equal to t. See, the way of assuming also very important here. For example, integration sin x squared dx, sin x squared dx. If you assume as x squared equal to t, what happens? Okay, here if you take x squared equal to t, what happens? X squared differentiation with respect of t, 2x into dx by dt. T derivative with respect of t is 1. So dx is equal, tell me, dt by 2x. If you change the variable sin x square equal to t, dx is equal, tell me, dt by 2x. This is, we have to change the variable. Tell me, x equal to how much? Root t. But 1 by 2 integration of sin t by root t into dt. Is it possible to find integration? So is it standard formula? No. See, here by taking 2x equal t, we have got it, we have converted to the standard formula. But here by taking x square equal t, this is not standard formula because root t is variable. If root t is not there, then it is standard formula. So because of root t it is not standard formula, again it is complicated. Small function we made it big function. So the way how to assume as a t, that is most important. Here x square equal t I have taken, blindly don't take. I have done first blindly, but now concept, when I apply blindly you come to know that after this you will stuck up what to do integration to do. Okay, so how to do, if for example if you take x square equal t, x square differentiation you have to calculate. What is x square differentiation? 2x is there here. 2 is constant limit, variable must be, variable should be there. Variable if not there means don't take as a t. X square differentiation is 2x. So 2 limit, x is variable. Variable is there in this. Variable is there in that except sin x square? No. That's why this is the x square equal to assuming is wrong way. Here 2x equal to 2x differentiation is 2. 2 is constant no problem. Constant is there, we can take common at last. Here constant we got it, sin 2 by 2. But variable is there, no, we can't take common here. Instead of 2 here x if comes, no, we can't take out. Okay, finding integration is very difficult. So constant, when you assume as a t, that differentiation either it should be constant or 1. Constant or 1. Then you can assume as a t. If it is variable, don't assume. That is the most important. Are you following? Next, for example, integration. So this integration is not possible. We can't find out. Integration, substitution method not possible. Cos of x cube dx. Is it possible x cube equal t? No. Why? Because x cube differentiation 3x square. Then x square is not there. That's why don't take it. For example, the same question, integration of sin x square into x dx is there. X is there. Then we can consider that x square equal to t. Why? Because x square equal to t, x square differentiation is 2x. 2 constant limit, x will be there or not? See, x square equal to t, dx is equal to how much? dt by dx. Substitute here, sin of x square equal to t, x let it be, dx equal to dt by 2x. Now get cancel x. So 1 by 2 integration of sin t dt. So 1 by 2 standing integration is cos t plus c. Variable change t is equal to x square. This is the most important selection of in differentiation you can assume as a t each and every function, but in integration not like that. When we use the substitution method, okay, what function you are taking as a t, okay, that one first you apply differentiate. That variable, if they in the function, then consider as t. The function consider as t. If the variable not there, okay, if only constant is there, even though you can consider as t. If variable is not there means don't consider as t. Got a point? Here 2x equal t, 2x differentiation 2 is constant, then you can consider as a t. If it is variable, the variable should be there. X square here, x square differentiation is 2x, but x is not there here, so don't take x square equal to t. Here, so x square equal t, x square differentiation 2x, 2 a constant limit, x variable is there here, then you can consider as x square equal to t. This is by doing substitution method. First step is you have to verify whether it is applicable or not. The substitution method is applicable or not. From the beginning only we come to know that. How to verify applicable or not? The differentiation of what you have assumed, that variable should be there in the function. If variable is not there, then the substitution method is not applicable. Like this. Integration. Now we have discussed sin 2x dx equal to, what is the answer is minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. Right? Similarly, integration of cos 2x dx. Cos 2x dx. Can you expect what answer you get? Let once again I solve it. Let 2x equal to t. 2x equal to t. Substitution method applicable or not? Yes. 2x differentiation is 2. 2 is constant. See, let 2x equal to t. 2 differentiation with respect of t, dx by dt equal to t differentiation is 1. Dx equal to dt by 2. Substitute here, integration of cos 2x dx equal to cos 2x is t, dx equal to dt by 2. 1 by 2 integration of cos t dt. Cos t integration is sin t. 1 by 2 sin t plus c. 1 by 2 sin of t 2x plus shortcut. This is have done by substitution method. Now the shortcut is simple. 2x consider as t or x. Cos x integration sin x. Sin x means 2x. What we have assumed as x or as a t, that one differentiate. 2x differentiation 2. That we have written in differentiation multiply. Here down denominator. That much different. There we have done multiplies. D by dx of sin 2x, d by dx of cos 2x. How we have done? We have taken this as x. Cos x integration is minus sin 2x into d by dx of 2x. So minus sin 2x d by dx of 2x is 2. Here we should write in denominator, but denominator it should be constant. Variable not possible. Here variable 2x if comes, 2x square if comes, we can write the variable here, whatever it may be. But here denominator it should be constant. If it is variable, not exist. Okay. See, cos 2x, this we have assumed as x. Cos x integration sin x. X means 2x. 2x differentiation 2, that you write in the denominator. 2x by 2. The same thing, integration of, for example, sin x square dx. If you have assume as x square as x, sin x integration minus cos x means x square. X square differentiation 2x. If you write denominator, this is the wrong one. Why? Because variable don't write in the denominator. You have no right for the integration. Okay, variable if you write, if you apply differentiate this, you can't get this. That should get, then only it is correct. Okay, that is the difference between differentiation and integration. The differentiation for all the problems only one method. If it is sin square, d by dx of sin x square is there. How to differentiate? This we have considered as x. Sin x square differentiation cos x square into d by dx of x square is 2x. But here this concept for all the function of differentiation, composition function exists. But in integration not like that. Integration there is a particular restrictions are there. So that's why so many students they will do the problems easy in differentiation, but they will face the problem in integration. Why? Because by doing the integration problem they will apply differentiation concept. So this concept not applied here, but this same concept exists here, applicable here. Why? Because here constant, that is k. Okay. Next, tell me integration of sin 2x cos 2x over secant square 2x. Secant square 2x. Secant square x integration tan x. So tan 2x by 2. Integration of cosec square 2x dx minus cot 2x by 2. Plus integration of sin 3x dx. Sin 3x. 3x considered as x. Sin 3x integration minus cos 3x. By 3x differentiation b plus c. Integration of cos 3x dx equal to sin 3x